Hi, this is Brandon from Watches on You. Today we're taking a look at the Nomos Club Campus Neomatik 39. Now, first I'd like to remind you that we're here at JB Hudson Jewelers taking a look at this piece, and I'd also like to remind you I'll be leaving links in the description to their website as well as to our personal channel store where any purchases do go towards supporting the channel. So without further ado, let's start out with the review of this watch. So as I said, this is the Nomos Campus Club Neomatik 39. Now, this watch has a very interesting and new feature for Nomos. It's got a stainless steel bracelet, and it's one of the more unique bracelets that I've seen recently, just due to the small size of the links. It's like, I mean, they're super, super small. It conforms very nicely to the wrist, as you'll see in a wrist shot in a little bit, but first I want to go over just kind of the basic specs of this watch. Now, the Campus Club by Nomos is meant to be a watch kind of for young people, typically college-age students like myself, who may not have the budget for something like a Rolex or may not like that style. It's a very minimalist watch. It's very trendy, but it does kind of stay in keeping with the Bauhaus design language that Nomos tends to use. So the movement in this watch is an in-house movement. It's finished very nicely, but there is no exhibition case back, so you can't see that. It's the caliber DUW 3001 movement. It's got a 43-hour power reserve, which is a little bit low, but considering that it's an automatic movement and also the fact that it's more of a daily wearer, I think that it shouldn't be too much of an issue, frankly, if you're wearing this every day in college or something like that. Again, you don't have to be in college to wear this. You can be a young professional as well, but that's kind of the market that I envision personally for the wearers of this watch. So moving over to the case. So again, this has got a stainless steel case. It is water resistant to 200 meters, which is a lot for Nomos. I believe it's the most water resistant Nomos that they have. Well, I know that there are others that have 200 meter water resistance, but it's one of the more water resistant Nomoses, is what I mean. I love the watch. The dial on this piece, it's kind of a reverse kind of California dial where you have the Roman numerals on the bottom as opposed to on the top, and then the Arabic numerals on the top as opposed to the bottom, but I think it's very unique, and I love the blue indices as well. So now I'll try this watch on for a wrist shot. So the 39 millimeter case of this watch would be suited to most people's wrists. I think it wears a little bit smaller than that, more like a 38 personally, but I think that it would be fine for most people. Again, you can see how well the bracelet conforms to the wrist. It's very comfortable. There's absolutely no hair pinching because those links are just so tightly connected to each other. I mean, I really love this bracelet. So overall, I think this is a great watch for someone who's starting out a watch collection or maybe just wants something as more of a daily wear. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thanks for watching.